Hi, Captain Chris back again. It's still cold, at least up there where you live. Down here in Florida, it's nice and warm and toasty, and we've got white sandy beaches. We have another class called Introduction to Boat Systems. So anybody that's a handyman around the house knows about the color of the wires in your house, which are usually black and white with a green wire. So here I've got black and white with the green wire. So these are the two alternating current wires in your house, and that's the ground wire. But if you have to do a jump start on your car, you'll probably use a red and black cable on your car. Red is hot, black is not, and these are usually 12 volt or 24 volt jump start cables. But on your boat, we've got another color wire. What's that yellow wire all about? So on boats, so that you don't get this black wire from alternating current mixed up with the direct current wire, the new code or the new color is yellow wires or the new black for DC voltage, 12 volts, 24 volts aboard your boat. So that's one thing that we'll talk about. We'll also do circuit breakers and then the energy management systems on your boat so you don't pop a circuit breaker by overloading your generator. Other things that we'll do in the Introduction to Boat Systems classes is this. What happened to all the rubber veins on that? Used to look like this, but they got shed away, they were worn away, and they went downstream into your cooler or your heat exchanger. So we'll show you how to take this out, put the new one in, which is a little bit of a trick. We'll show you the trick. And then also you need to go digging to find all of the rubber veins that fell off of this. We'll teach you that and more in our Introduction to Boat Systems class. Look at the link down here, click on the link, ask Captain Chris.